Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priya Stalin from EC Department of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. The topic that we are going to see today is fundamental steps in digital image processing. This is the block diagram that involves 10 steps in processing an image in digital image processing system. The steps are image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets and multi-resolution processing, compression, morphological processing, segmentation, representation and description, and object recognition. Among these 10 steps, the problem domain is fed to the image acquisition block. The image acquisition block, image enhancement, restoration, color image processing, wavelets and multi-resolution processing, compression and morphological processing. All these 7 blocks, the output of these are generally images. The output of the rest 3 blocks, segmentation, representation and description, object recognition, and along with them the morphological processing. All these have an output that are generally image attributes. Attribute refers to the feature or quality of an image. The first and the foremost basic step is image acquisition process. Capturing an image, that is any audio, video or text, and making it available in digital form is image acquisition. It also involves pre-processing such as scaling. Scaling is increasing or decreasing the size of an image according to the application. The next step is the image enhancement. Image enhancement is a subjective process. Subjective refers to personal perspectives in decision-making process. Enhancement is a process of increasing the quality of an image. It is a process of manipulating an image to make it more suitable for any application. It also involves changing the brightness and contrast. The next step is the image restoration process. It deals with improving the appearance of a corrupt image by reducing or removing the blur or noise. Image restoration is an objective process, unlike image enhancement that is a subjective process. What is an objective process? The objective refers to a process that is purely based on hard facts. That is, the restoration techniques are based on mathematical or probabilistic models of image degradation. It makes the image recover from resolution loss. The next step is the color image processing. It is used as the basis for extracting features of interest in an image. Color is a powerful descriptor that helps in object identification. The image processing toolbox software represents colors as RGB values. For example, RGB color space defines color as percentages of R, G and B hues mixed together. The next step is the wavelets and multi-resolution processing. A wavelet is a wave-like oscillation with an amplitude that begins at 0, increases and then decreases back to 0. Wavelets can be combined with known portions of a damaged signal to extract information from the unknown portions. Multi-resolution analysis is the design method of discrete wavelet transforms. Multi-resolution theory is concerned with representation and analysis of signals at more than one resolution. That is, the multi-resolution analysis gives both time and frequency domain details of an image. Features that go undetected at one resolution may be detected at another using wavelet transforms because of this design methodology of multi-resolution analysis. The next step is the compression. Compression deals with techniques for reducing the storage required to save an image or the bandwidth that is needed to transmit it. This is widely used in internet working to compress data. .jpg is a file extension used in Joint Photographic Experts Group, that is JPEG Image Compression Standard. The next step is the morphological processing. It deals with tools for extracting image components that are useful in the representation and description of shape. Mathematical morphology is a theory and technique for the analysis and processing of geometrical structures based on set theory, random functions, topology, etc. The next step is segmentation. Segmentation partitions an image into its constituent parts or objects. Segmentation procedure brings successful solution to identify objects individually. Output of this stage is raw pixel data constituting either the boundary of a region or all the points in the region itself. The more accurate the segmentation is, the more likely recognition of any part of the image will be. The next step is the representation and description process. This step follows the output of a segmentation stage. The representation step is to choose a form for the raw pixel data suitable for computer processing. Boundary representation is correct when focus is on the external shape characteristics such as corners and inflections. Regional representation is appropriate when the focus is on internal properties such as texture or skeletal shape. Description deals with extracting attributes which helps to classify one object from the other. The next step is the object recognition process. The process of identifying and detecting an object or a feature in a digital image or video is called as object recognition. It assigns a label to an object based on its descriptors. For example, a label vehicle will be assigned to an object which it identifies as a truck based on its descriptors. Apart from all the 10 steps, there is a knowledge base which stores wide information about interrelated objects. A good storage of knowledge base limits the search that has to be conducted in identifying our object of interest. Knowledge about a problem domain is coded into an image processing system in the form of knowledge database. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly write to me your feedback.